नमस्ते। क्या आप गिरवी या ज्वेलरी बिजनेस में हो? Are you into the business of pawnbroking or jewelry? Then this video is for you. In this video, I'll show you how, in a simple manner, you can maintain a daily financial summary of your business in an Excel format, which can be consolidated on a weekly, monthly, or a yearly basis to help you understand the cash flow of your business and important financial data on the basis of which you can take informed business decisions. So now I'll take you through the daily summary report for pawnbroking and sale of jewelry. First we'll see for pawnbroking. Here we'll record the total principal and interest that we have received during the day. What is the number of bills against which we have received the principal and interest, and what is the total value of principal and interest. Next we'll record the amount that we have lent, against how many bills, and what is the total amount that we have lent. So the net cash inflow or outflow is automatically calculated over here. So in this case it is 18,500 rupees is the outflow. Next, coming to the sale of jewelry, we will see metal wise. First is gold. What is the total gold sales during the day? The weight and the value. The average rate will be automatically calculated over here, right? And against which, what is the old gold that we have bought in exchange? That weight and value should be recorded here, and then we finally arrive at what is the net sale of gold in cash. So 30 minus 5, 25 grams of gold has been sold in cash, and the value. Okay, the same way we'll do it for silver. What is the total silver weight and the value, against which we'll record the details of the old silver, the weight and the value. And finally we'll arrive at the net cash sale of silver. 150 grams of silver and 13,000 rupees is the net cash sale. And when you add both gold and silver, we have received a net cash inflow of rupees 1,59,500. Now coming to the final summary report, the opening cash is recorded here, and then total cash receipts during the day is 1,41,000, which is 1,59,500 sales minus 18,500 is the outflow of pawnbroking. And if you have received any other amount other than pawnbroking and sale of jewelry, we'll record it over here. Say in this case it is 30,000 rupees inflow. Next we'll record the cash expense, business expense and personal expense. It is very important to segregate between business expense and personal expense so that you can understand the total cash flow of the business. After recording that, we'll finally arrive at the closing cash balance of the day, which will be carried forward to the next day as opening cash of 3,54,000. Here you just have to record all the figures which is highlighted in this color, right? The remaining figures will be automatically calculated, and you can thereby arrive at the closing cash balance. So now this is the data that you have recorded for one day, and if you keep doing it on a daily basis, at the end of each month, when you consolidate the entire data, you will come to know what is the business that you have done, what is the total principal you have received during the month, what is the total interest you have received, what is the amount you have lent, the data of the entire sales you have done during the month in weight and in value. And also you will also come to know about the total business expenses and the personal expenses. The business expenses will include your purchases and other expenses which are related to the business, and what is the personal expenses that you have made from your business cash. Everything will be in front of you at the end of each month, which will be very helpful for you in making decisions related to your business. So this was just a basic and simple summary. This report can be customized based on the additional inputs or additional details that you may want to add in this report. If you require any assistance in maintaining this Excel workbook or moving from the traditional system of pen and paper to the digital format, we shall be glad to assist you.